Toaster ovens are versatile appliances that can be a great help in the kitchen, whether it's reheating leftover pizza or serving evenly browned toast. Our experts have found the best toaster ovens to consider for your kitchen. Few kitchen appliances are as versatile as the toaster oven. It can reheat leftovers like pizza and last night's takeout while easy to clean compared to other kitchen appliances. Some can even double as air fryers to crisp frozen foods and snacks. We have listed the best toaster oven 2025 and their key features. You need to consider this to help you choose the best one for you. For more information on the product, as always, I've included a link in the description box down below, which are updated with the best prices on each product. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Now let's get started. Number 6. Black & Decker TO3250XSB. The Black & Decker TO3250XSB. Extra wide convection. Toaster oven is a multifunctional appliance that meets various kitchen needs, ideal for families or individuals looking to streamline their baking and cooking without the preheat time of a full-size oven. With a retail price around $89.99, this oven is a practical investment for those who want both versatility and space-saving benefits in their kitchen. This model is designed to accommodate substantial baking and cooking needs, featuring an extra-wide interior that fits a 13x9 pan, including those with handles, and allows for baking 12 pizzas and preparing meals like lasagna, casseroles, and even brownies. One of its standout features is advanced convection technology, which circulates hot air for fast, even cooking results, making it easier to achieve consistent textures and finishes on a variety of dishes. This oven includes 4 distinct cooking functions: bake, broil, toast, and keep warm, providing flexibility for nearly any type of meal. The convection heating system is ideal for faster cooking, as it distributes heat more evenly than traditional heating elements, which helps reduce cooking times and enhance food quality by producing crispy edges on foods like roasted vegetables or baked goods. Another advantage of this model is the 60-minute timer with a stay-on function, giving users the option to cook longer items like roasts or whole chickens without needing to reset the timer. For perfect toast every time, the dedicated toast timer allows for customizable shade selection, so you can choose your preferred browning level with ease. Number 5. Ninja DT251. The Ninja DT251 Foodie Smart XL Air Fry Oven is an incredibly versatile kitchen appliance, combining 10 cooking functions in one compact design. Equipped with true surround convection, it delivers up to 10 times the convection power of traditional ovens, making it ideal for fast, even cooking without the need to rotate trays. This powerful 1800-watt unit can bake, air fry, roast, broil, toast, dehydrate, reheat, and even prepare bagels and pizzas. The Smart Cook system includes an integrated meat thermometer that monitors internal temperatures for perfectly cooked meals, ensuring you never overcook or undercook again. Its large capacity can handle 2 12-inch pizzas or a 12-lb turkey, making it a great option for families or gatherings. The oven's digital display is built into the handle, which helps keep controls away from heat and makes it easy to see and adjust settings. Additionally, the dual-level cooking capability allows you to prepare multiple dishes at once, saving time and space in the kitchen. With a stainless steel finish, the Ninja DT251 is both durable and stylish, adding a premium look to any countertop. It measures 20.22 inches wide, 13.34 inches high, and 17.09 inches deep, so it does require a fair amount of counter space. This appliance is priced at approximately $250, making it a worthwhile investment for those looking for a multifunctional, high-performance oven that can replace several other kitchen devices. Number 4. Cosori CTO R2551S. The Cosori CTO R2551S Smart 11-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven combo is designed to meet diverse cooking needs with advanced features. This 26-quart smart oven can handle large meals with ease, fitting a 12-inch pizza, 6 slices of bread, or even a whole 5-pound chicken. Its 12 cooking functions include essential modes like air fry, bake, toast, roast, broil, and even more specialized options like ferment and slow cook, making it an all-in-one solution for varied meal prep. What sets this oven apart is its 1800W power output combined with 6 heat elements and a 2-speed fan. These features work together to achieve rapid, even heat distribution, allowing for crispy textures and perfectly browned finishes, especially in air-fried recipes. The temperature range from 80 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees, and a timer that stretches up to 24 hours, give users control for both high heat roasting and low temperature dehydration. One standout feature of the Cosori CTO R2551S is its smart functionality. Through Wi-Fi connectivity, this model pairs with the VSync app and is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. This smart integration lets users control cooking settings, monitor progress, and even access a range of recipes from their mobile devices. The app provides step-by-step guidance, turning cooking into a more intuitive experience. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this model is not only sleek but also easy to clean, featuring a removable crumb tray and non-stick interior surfaces. Included accessories like a wire rack, food tray, fry basket, and a recipe book ensure users are equipped for different cooking tasks. At a competitive price of around $129.99, the Cosori CTO R251S combines versatility, power, and modern convenience. Number 3. Quinnart TO70. The Quinnart TO70 air fryer toaster oven is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines 8 powerful cooking functions: air fry, convection bake, convection broil, bake, broil, warm, toast, and grill. This model's 1800-watt power and adjustable temperature up to 450 degrees make it capable of handling a variety of dishes, from air frying crispy wings to baking a 12-inch pizza. It has a 0.6 cubic foot capacity, accommodating up to a 4-pound chicken or 3 pounds of fries with ease, and includes a non-stick, easy-to-clean interior. One standout feature is its dual-sided grill and griddle plate. This lets you sear steaks and vegetables on one side while griddling breakfast items on the other, adding an extra layer of versatility for home chefs. With a 60-minute timer, auto shutoff, and a toast shade selector, this oven offers precise control over cooking. The appliance also comes with accessories: an oven rack, baking pan, air fryer basket, and grill plate. In terms of pricing, the Quinnart TO70 generally retails between $200 and $250 depending on the store, with slight variations for sales or promotions. This model is highly recommended for its multifunctionality, compact design, and high-quality performance, making it a great choice for those who want an all-in-one cooking solution. Number 2. Heatmate Set G16. The Heatmate Set G16, often marketed under similar models like HMC 23K, is a powerful and highly portable kerosene convection heater designed for both indoor and outdoor use, making it ideal for areas like garages, workshops, and poorly insulated rooms. With a 23,000 BTU output, it can effectively heat spaces up to 1,000 square feet, providing substantial warmth without the need for electricity. This heater operates on a 1.9-gallon fuel tank, which can run continuously for up to 12 hours on a single fill, making it highly efficient and economical for longer heating sessions. Safety is a priority in the Heatmate Set G16, with features such as an easy flame adjuster for fine-tuning heat levels, an automatic shutoff, a tip-over switch, and protective grills. The push-to-start ignition simplifies lighting, and its no-match ignition feature provides an extra layer of convenience and safety. This heater includes a siphon pump and requires 2D batteries, ensuring it's ready to go almost anywhere, especially in emergency situations. Priced at around $180 at retailers like Home Depot, it offers good value for its performance, although some user reviews suggest that it's more suited to specific uses rather than for heating large open spaces. The Heatmate Set G16 is a strong choice for those needing reliable, portable heating in tough winter conditions, with a balance of convenience, safety, and portability. Number 1. Breville BV900BSS. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro, model BV900BSS, is a highly versatile countertop appliance designed for those seeking a multifunctional cooking experience. This stainless steel oven features Element IQ technology, which uses 6 independent quartz heating elements for precise heat distribution above and below food, ensuring even cooking. With 13 cooking functions, including air fry, bake, broil, roast, toast, slow cook, dehydrate, and more, this oven can handle a wide range of tasks, from toasting bagels to roasting a 14-pound turkey or air-frying crispy foods without added oil. Its 1 cubic foot capacity provides ample space, capable of fitting a 9x 13-inch pan, a 5-quart Dutch oven, or a 12-cup muffin tray. The super convection setting enhances air circulation, reducing cooking time by up to 30%, ideal for crispier textures. A built-in LCD display makes it easy to select and control functions, and an interior light allows you to monitor food without opening the door. Priced around $399.95 at major retailers, the Breville BV900BSS also offers PID temperature control for precise cooking and air fry and dehydrate presets for healthier snacks. The non-stick interior ensures easy cleanup, and a removable crumb tray adds convenience. This oven is not only efficient, but also eliminates the need for multiple single-use appliances.